Here with the 7 Habits of the Highly Effective People, written by Stephen Richard. Stephen Richard was an American author, businessman, educator, and a keynote speaker. According to him, our character is a collection of our habits, and while explaining the 7 habits of the highly effective people, he moves us from 3 stages: dependence, independence, and interdependence. So, moving towards the habit 1 is be proactive. Focus on the things that can actually influence you rather than acting under the external forces. So, habit 2 is image the end in your mind. So you have to make a clear image of your ultimate goals before starting anything. And once you have an image of your end, then you can do it with perfection. So the habit number 3 is put first things first. Work on your focus, work on your priorities, and
Okay, thank you very much. You have very good accent. Keep it up like that.